Freelancing offers freedom and flexibility, but with that freedom comes financial responsibility. Unlike a regular job, freelancers have to manage irregular income, taxes, expenses, and savings all on their own. Learning how to organize your money isn't just a skill, it's a survival tool that helps you stay stable during slow months and grow during busy ones. From budgeting and tracking expenses to setting aside money for taxes and building an emergency fund, mastering your freelance finances is the foundation for lasting success and peace of mind. Today, we will talk about how to manage your freelance finances. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The importance of financial management. Freelancing gives you freedom, flexibility, and independence, but it also brings financial responsibility. Unlike traditional jobs, freelancers don't have fixed salaries or employer-provided benefits. That's why managing money is crucial. You must treat your freelance career like a business. Track income, monitor expenses, and plan for the future. Understanding your cash flow helps you make informed decisions, such as when to save, invest, or take on more clients. Financial organization also reduces stress and keeps you prepared for slow months. Remember, your earnings may fluctuate, but your financial discipline should stay consistent. By managing your money wisely, you gain stability and long-term growth, even in uncertain times. Freelancers who plan their finances are the ones who thrive instead of just surviving in the gig economy. 2. Separate personal and business finances. One of the first steps in managing freelance finances is separating your personal and business money. Create a dedicated bank account for your freelance income and expenses. This makes tracking easier during tax season and helps you understand your actual profit. Mixing personal and business transactions can cause confusion and make it difficult to manage budgets or approve expenses. Consider opening both a checking account for daily operations and a savings account for taxes or emergencies. Use business debit or credit cards to keep everything transparent. This simple separation not only brings clarity, but also gives your freelance career a more professional structure. Clients may even take you more seriously when they see you run your finances like a business. Treat every dollar earned and spent as part of your company's financial ecosystem. 3. Track your income consistently. Freelance income often comes from multiple clients and platforms, which can get messy fast if you're not tracking it. Use spreadsheets, accounting software like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or Wave, or even apps like Notion to log every payment. Record client names, project details, payment dates, and amounts. This helps you see which clients are reliable, which projects are most profitable, and whether your income is growing. Also, track unpaid invoices and follow up regularly. Many freelancers lose money simply by forgetting overdue payments. Set up a simple invoicing system with due dates and automatic reminders. Consistent tracking not only gives you control, but also helps you plan better for taxes and savings. When you know exactly where your money comes from, you can make smarter business decisions and avoid financial surprises. 4. Budget wisely for variable income. Unlike a traditional job, freelance income can fluctuate monthly. That's why creating a flexible budget is essential. First, identify your minimum monthly expenses: rent, food, bills, and business costs. Then calculate your average monthly income based on previous months. Set aside money from higher-earning months to cover leaner periods. A good rule is to keep 3 to 6 months of expenses saved as a buffer. Use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Automate your bill payments to avoid late fees. Track your spending habits and cut unnecessary expenses during slower months. With smart budgeting, you'll feel financially secure even when work slows down. The goal isn't to eliminate uncertainty. It's to prepare for it so you can focus on doing great freelance work. 5. Save for taxes and retirement. As a freelancer, you're responsible for paying your own taxes. There's no employer withholding them for you. Set aside at least 20–30% of each payment for taxes in a separate account. Consider hiring a tax professional or using software like TurboTax or QuickBooks Self-Employed to stay organized. Don't wait until tax season. Track your deductible expenses throughout the year. Things like software, home office supplies, travel, or internet bills can often be written off. Also, think long-term by saving for retirement. Freelancers don't get employer-sponsored plans, but you can open an individual retirement account, IRA, or solo 401k. Contributing regularly, even small amounts, builds wealth over time. Managing taxes and retirement early prevents future financial stress and ensures that freelancing remains a sustainable career path, not just a short-term hustle. 6. Build an emergency fund. Financial stability is key for freelancers, and an emergency fund is your best protection against unpredictable income. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses. This fund acts as a safety net during slow periods, client loss, or personal emergencies. Keep it in a separate high-yield savings account that's easily accessible but not used for daily spending. Add to it regularly. Set a fixed amount or percentage of every payment to go directly into this fund. Having this cushion prevents panic when income drops and allows you to make smart decisions instead of desperate ones. An emergency fund provides peace of mind, ensuring that your freelance business continues running smoothly no matter what happens. Think of it as financial insurance for your independent career. 7. Invest in your growth. Managing finances isn't just about saving. It's also about strategic spending that leads to more income. Allocate part of your earnings toward improving your skills, upgrading equipment, or marketing your services. Enroll in online courses, attend workshops, or learn new tools that make you more competitive. These investments often bring higher-paying clients and long-term benefits. Also, consider hiring help for non-core tasks like accounting, editing, or social media so you can focus on your core strengths. Smart reinvestment helps your freelance business grow sustainably. Every dollar you invest in your professional development has the potential to multiply your income in the future. The key is to balance growth spending with savings. Prioritize investments that have a clear return and align with your long-term goals. 8. Use tools and automation technology can make freelance financial management easier and more efficient. Use accounting software to automate invoicing, track payments, and categorize expenses. Tools like PayPal, Wise, or Revolut can simplify international payments, while budgeting apps like YNAB or Mint help track spending. Set up automatic transfers for taxes, savings, and retirement contributions. Automation reduces manual work and prevents missed payments. You can also use time-tracking apps to measure productivity and determine if your rates are fair for the hours you work. The more streamlined your systems, the more time you save for client work and growth. Embracing automation helps freelancers maintain financial consistency, accuracy, and professionalism, especially as their client base expands. Think of tools as your virtual finance team, efficient, reliable, and always on time. 9. Review and plan regularly. Successful freelancers treat their finances like a business. Regular reviews are essential. At least once a month, assess your income, expenses, and savings. Identify what's working and what needs improvement. Are your rates high enough? Are certain clients draining your time for too little pay? Use these insights to adjust your strategy. Quarterly reviews can help with tax preparation and long-term planning. Set realistic financial goals, like saving for a new laptop, buying a home, or taking time off, and track your progress. Reviewing finances keeps you accountable and motivated. Over time, you'll develop a clearer understanding of your financial patterns and be able to make smarter decisions. Consistent financial planning transforms freelancing from unpredictable work into a stable, thriving career that supports your lifestyle and dreams. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.